Welcome to CSONS at Home. So, we are going kind of Japanese, slightly Korean, I guess, with the vibe this week. So, we've got some korokke, or as Ruben quite rightly pointed out, they're just croquettes really, but with a slightly Japanese influence. Then we got some kimchi there, some, brown sauce, mayo, and spring onions. It's obviously a bit of a take on what you'd normally get with like yakisoba with the mayo and the and what they would have tonkatsu sauce. So the first thing we need to do is to heat up the korokke. I'm just going to pop them in the oven. It's about 190 the oven, so it shouldn't be too long. 5-10 minutes, I guess. Get our korokke out. First thing, just going to toss any liquid back through the kimchi. It might have sort of separated out. Okay, just pop this on one side. Next up, we're just going to go 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now. In Japan, you normally get this in like 2 squeezy bottles, and squeeze them out in, this in the mayonnaise. You do them in like a zigzag line, but I'm not really sure. Just to get the sort of contrast. This is probably the wrong tool, but I think it's going to kind of work. I'm just going to sprinkle with our spunions. Sprinkle with our spunions. A little bit of this sesame oil. I'm going to send you a little bit of sesame oil.